In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your hosting or business email to your Gmail account. This is a great way to streamline your communication by managing emails in one place, especially if you regularly use Gmail for your personal emails as well. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to ensure you have the login credentials and server settings for your hosting or email account handy. These details will include your email address, password, and SMTP and POP3 server details, which you can usually find in your hosting or admin panel. Make sure you have these at the ready before we proceed. Now, open your Gmail account in your web browser. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it and select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings page. Here, you're going to navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can manage all the email accounts linked to your Gmail. What we want to do is add your hosting or business email here so you can send and receive emails directly from your Gmail interface. Next, look for the Check Mail from Other Accounts section and click on Add a Mail Account. This will open up a new window. In the space provided, enter your full hosting or email address and click Next. Gmail will now ask you how you would like to proceed. Choose Import Emails from My Other Account POP3. Now, you need to provide the password for your hosting or email account. Below that, in the POP server field, enter the incoming mail server. It typically looks something like pop.yourdomain.com. The port number is usually 995, so make sure you enter that correctly as well. You'll also want to check the boxes that say Leave a copy of retrieved messages on the server, always use a secure connection SSL when retrieving mail, and label incoming messages. After those settings are squared away, click Add Account. Almost done here. Now you'll see an option to send mail as your hosting or email from this same Gmail account. Click Yes, so you can compose new messages or reply using your hosting or address. You'll be prompted to set up the SMTP server. Enter the outgoing SMTP server address, which might resemble something like smtp.yourdomain.com. The usual port for SMTP is 465. Also, input your email address and password once again and select Secured Connection using SSL. Once you've input all the correct details, hit Add Account. Gmail might now send a verification code to your hosting or email. Simply check your hosting or mailbox for an email from Gmail containing this code. Enter it in the verification window, and you're all set. Now you should be able to manage your hosting or business emails seamlessly through Gmail. This integration not only consolidates your communications into one convenient platform but also helps you keep your workflow organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing!